What is going on, YouTube? J Mac here. Got a garage door opener that when it was going up started having some problems. It hit the limit switch on it, and the limit switch on it was real greasy and old, and I came up here to adjust it a little bit right here, and the plastic piece broke, so I need to replace a limit switch on this Genie Pro 98 garage door opener. So I'm going to bring you along with me. So the first thing you're going to do when you find your limit switch, there's one towards the rear of the garage door opener, and then there's one that goes down, like down the screw here of the garage door opener, and it's what tells the garage door to stop when it reaches down there, and this is what contacts your limit switch on the garage door opener. So the first thing you're going to do on your limit switch is there's a screw here, which I removed it before I started the video. I'm sorry, but it's just a flathead screw. So you remove that out, and then here's your power. You also want to disconnect your garage door opener. You can see it hanging there. So disconnect your power before you touch any of this. But then you're going to pull the power off. It's kind of hard to do with one hand. So I'll just do it like this. We'll pull the switch down. Whoops. And then I'll just pull this off. There. Sorry. So that hooks up to there. So you take this over. You can see where I broke it at. This little plastic bit. It's super fragile. And this thing's, I don't know how old. The switch is probably as old as a garage door, so 15 years old or so. But here's the new one. You can pretty much tell. It's an OEM part, so it's a Genie OEM replacement. I think this was like $14. I found it online. I looked around locally but could not find it, so I had to go online. So we'll install it. So as you can see, the screw that I showed you I removed, well, that I told you I removed. Here's the screw for the old one. You can kind of see how it's going to set up on top of that rail, and then you'll tighten that screw down. And before I took it off, I marked where the old one was at with the Sharpie, so I know where to put it. So see how that kind of just, you're going to set it. Let me get it up there on top of this track. You can see there maybe. Just sets in like that. And then grab a screw stick here. Come up here and just gonna, actually, I'm gonna get a socket. I don't feel like screwing with the flathead, so it's gonna be, there we go. Excuse me while I get my tools together. I decided not to use a flathead screwdriver to put the new one on because it's brand new, and using a screwdriver on it just, hold on here, takes the chance of stripping it out, and I don't want to strip it out. So by using a 1/4-inch socket, it pretty much, it doesn't ensure you won't strip it out, but it makes it idiot proof to some degree. And I'm wearing gloves because this has the Smalley bee grease on here on the screw, and if that stuff gets on your hands, it's not, I mean, no, you don't really want any of that stuff on your hands, but it does not wash off, so. Okay, so this doesn't, you don't need to rock this thing down crazy, it's just there to hold it. So there's the new switch attached. You're gonna take your power cord your connector. Just stick it right on there, like that. And then this rides up here on top. Power cable. Okay. And there you go. That is how you replace a garage door opener limit switch.